Everyone, this is David Beltus. Welcome to this edition today. So today we'll be talking about the shift lever, commonly known as the gear stick. Of course, I'll be using the common name, the gear stick. So take a look around. Here's our gear stick. These are our paddles. Below down here are the paddles. So we are going to be talking about the gear stick because so many people always face this difficulty while driving. Some always face difficulties in changing their gear stick. Some always look down instead of looking in front because it is always necessary. It is very important to look in front while changing your gear stick. So we are going to be talking how can we come along with this issue, how to change your gear stick, how to go along with it. So it is really important to address this issue. So take a look at the gear stick. You see that normally this is a manual transmission car. You see that it has five gears. You have gear 1, gear 2, gear 3, gear 4, gear 5, excluding the reverse. In some other cars, you're going to find 6. In some other cars, you'll find seven gears. That is in manual transmission cars. So down here, you see we have the clutch. These are clutch down here. You have the brake pad and accelerator. So you cannot access this. Which is the gear stick, without pressing your clutch. Your left foot must be on your clutch for you to access this gear stick. So many people always face this challenge, like they will come and start their cars without placing their legs, their legs, or should I say their left foot on their their clutch. They'll just come and start directly and expect the gear stick to move. It's going to cause you a great problem and it will be very fatal for you. So follow these steps and see how you go about it. So first of all, when you enter your car, before starting, ensure your car first is on free. That is, look at how I'm shaking it. The car is on free. It's on free mode. Now for you to move to the first gear, that is the gear 1. For you to move to the first gear, you place your leg on your clutch to your maximum. You place it, ensure you press it to the fullest for you to be able to move this gear stick. You go like this. We are in gear 1 like this. This is gear 1. And when you move down, you see that you've gone back to the free mode. And when you go down again, while placing your hand like this, ensure you follow the steps. While placing your hand like this, you go down again. You see that you've gone to gear 2. Some people, if you enter in some people's cars, you will not find these writings on them. You see, you have 1, you have 2, you have 3, you have 4. So it is always important for you to master this gear stick in your head, not for you to look at the gear stick and why changing your gear stick, for you to look at it, because it's going to cause you a great problem. So always look focus and master and have it in your head. So you must master this gear stick for you to be able to drive safely. So just as I said, below here is your clutch. When you press it to the fullest, you smash with your left foot, not to the right foot. With your left foot, this one, with your left foot, you smash it to the fullest and you change your gear. So I'm going to demonstrate how it goes. So I'm going to start the car and demonstrate how it goes. So here it is. Right, so we have already started our car, and I'm going to emphasize on one thing. While inserting your gear, ensure you bring it towards you like this. You bring it towards you. This is because most people always make this error of going instead of going to gear 2 like this, they will rather insert into gear 4 like this, which is very fatal and very, very wrong. So always bring it towards you. For instance, if you want to go to gear 1, you bring the gear toward the gear stick towards you to put your gear like this. We are in gear 1 like this. Now this is when you have already taken off. Gear 1 is to take off the car, and now while driving you start changing your gears. You go to gear 2 like this. This gear 2, we are in gear 2. Why bring it towards you? Why bringing the gear stick towards you? Now if you are while driving, as you go gear 3, here we are. This is gear 3. This is gear 3 like this, and you go to gear 4. This is gear 4. Now without forgetting our reverse. You see, in most cases we have when we go to reverse, you see that there are in some transmission cars, manual transmission cars, you'll find some reverse indicators. Like here, you are going to see a reverse indicator here when you enter. This is because some people don't know that. They don't know, maybe if they want to go to the reverse, they will not. The car might enter into the gear stick. While putting your gear, it might enter into the reverse without and you will not know. Some might know. Now this is for those that don't know. So that's why you see in some manual transmission cars like this one, you have a gear a reverse indicator, which you are going to find here like this. Now let's go back to our free mode. You are in our free mode here like this. Now to go back to your reverse, you pull it, you send your gear stick towards that way, towards your right, and you bring it down. So you're going to hear that sound, tit tit tit. It indicates that we have put our gear, we are in reverse, and you're going to see our gear indicator here. You see right here like this. It is indicating that the car is on reverse. So if you want to, that's why your head must be steady. Your head must be steady to know that the car is on reverse, not to go and not to think that maybe the car is on gear 1 for you not to. If not, they are going to make an accident, or it will be very fatal for you. So to go back, you just take it. You take it to the right. You pull it to the right. You push it to the right. You push it to the right, and you go back on your free mode, and you just bring it, and that your car is on free mode. That's it. Just bring it towards you like this. If you want to go back to gear 1, you just bring it towards you, and you take it like this. You go back down. This is gear 2. So why am I insisting on this gear issue? Because it is very necessary. Without this, you cannot manipulate your car. Without this, you won't be able to manipulate your car. And without this, while driving, your car your engine may stop. Your engine may stop, and it won't be nice. It will be very fatal for you. So I insist on this because it's something very crucial to know and very important. So if you are watching this video, please like, you share, and you subscribe, and we catch up next time for other videos that will greatly interest you. So thank you.